Now we're going to talk about finding the key word. It's a very important part of solving the second layer. So let's look at our focus piece. We've got red and yellow. It's got yellow in it, so we're going to ignore it. Let's look at a different side. This one's got blue and orange. Great. So it doesn't have yellow, so let's proceed. What are we going to do? We're going to make that T. We're going to hold this side, go to the blue side, and look, it's making that T. We've also got some additional blues here. And don't assume just because there's blue here that, oh, this is where it goes, because it doesn't. If you look over here, you've got this yellow and this orange that don't match. So this blue really does not belong here. But don't worry, you don't have to overthink this. I'm going to make it really simple. All you have to do is look at the side of your focus. You have a focus piece. The side that's facing you of the focus piece is the color orange. That's the color you should always look at. You say, okay, it's orange this time. So should we declare left or declare right? Because we have the power to move this. I can move it over here, or I can move it over here. You can move it the wrong way. You have the power to actually move it and position it using the steps that we're going to learn. But will you move it to the correct spot? And how do you know what the correct spot is? All you have to do, look at this color, say orange, okay. Let's check this side. Over here, there's a little peak. What side is this we're looking at? This is the red side. Why? Because the red is in the center. Come back over here. Let's peek at this side instead. What side color is this? This is the orange side because the orange is in the center. That matches this color. So really simply, all we did was take our focus piece. We said it's orange. Oh, this is orange. That color matches. So our keyword is right because it's going to match on the right side. If this would have been a red piece, then we would have said left because red is on the left. But in this case, orange is matching the orange on the right. And so we're going to say our keyword is right. So you just say that keyword and declare that as right. So I'm just going to rewind a little bit and try a different example of what the keyword is one more time. Then I'm going to give you a little test to see if you can figure it out. Here, our focus piece is what colors? Green and red. Really quickly, let's go to the green side. There's the green side. And now we need to declare left or right. What color is facing us? Red. So we need to just peek at the sides. Okay, there's the orange side. That's not right. And there's the red side. So because this color matches this color, we can say that our keyword is right. All right, so here is your test. I'm not going to say anything and just let you figure this out. So just look at the cube. So say it out loud what the keyword should be here. All right, if you said right, then you're correct because this green is facing us and this side is green on the right. If green's on the right and that's the color that's over here, then that's our keyword. So our keyword is right. Let's try again. What if we were looking at this side? Let's make the red match there. Okay, what's the answer? Say it out loud. Our keyword would be right. That's correct because the blue is facing you and this blue is on the right side. Here's a good example. We're looking at green and orange. So let's take that to the green side. We've made the green T. Now guys, which side do you think this goes on? Is it left or right? If you're just looking really quickly, it looks pretty obvious that the green should go here to replace this yellow because this green's already in place. But if you said that, then you would be wrong. It's just an illusion. The green is trying to trick you. It doesn't really go here because if you look, it's a green and red. It does not match this orange side, and so it's in the wrong spot. So you don't have to overcomplicate this. Again, you just have to look at this color. This is the color orange. Where is the orange side? Peek over here. This is the red side, so it doesn't go there. Peek over here. There is the orange side. So what would your keyword be? It would be left because the orange is on the left and that matches our focus piece. So the keyword would be left. Guys, if you think you have this whole keyword thing figured out, then move on to the next video in this playlist, and which is the final step to solving the second layer. Remember to like and subscribe this video so that you can have access to the other videos pretty easily.